Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So in this video we will discuss about composition of plasma membrane. Okay, so let's start. Chemical composition that is involved in plasma membrane. Okay, so let us discuss about chemical composition in plasma membrane. Okay, so first one is lipid. Okay, it is 40% phospho phospholipid co- choles- cholesterol like glycolipid. Phospholipids, glycolipids, cholesterol. Okay, it means in the plasma membrane there is 40% of lipid. Okay, in which there is in the 40% there is phospholipid, cholesterol and glycolipid. Okay, and next thing is protein. Okay, so protein is 58 to 59%. Okay, that is arginine, lysine and lysine rich. Okay, it means that is protein is present in the plasma membrane, that is 58 to 59%. In protein 58 to 9% there is what? Arginine and lysine, which is rich in lysine. Okay, these are the protein are available in plasma membrane. Now carbohydrate. It is 1 to 2%. Carbohydrate present in the plasma membrane is about 1 to 2%. Okay. And here is one more note point is this, that is protein is it is polypeptide of polypeptide chain of amino acids. Okay, protein is polypeptide chain of amino acid. Okay, someone asked you that what is protein. So protein is polypeptide chain of amino acids. Okay, next point is, again this one is a note point. That is very important. That is the ratio of proteins and lipids lipids varies lipids that varies considerably in different cell types in human beings, and the membrane of the erythrocyte, that is what? Blood cell. Okay, RBC. Erythrocyte has approximately human being erythrocyte approximately 52% protein and 40% lipid. Okay, so here one more note point is, that is the ratio of protein and lipids varies considerably in every different cell types in human being, but the membrane of the erythrocyte has approximately 52% of protein and 40% of lipid. Okay, in human cell it varies, but in blood cell it doesn't vary. It is approximately 52% of protein and 40% of lipid. Okay, now last point is, that is plasma membrane of animal. Plasma membrane of animal cell is elastic or flexible due to what? Presence of lipid. Due to lipid, plasma membrane of animal cell is elastic and flexible. Okay, and now we have to discuss the structure of phospholipid. Okay, Which structure? Structure of phospholipid. Okay. So let's discuss the structure of phospholipid. Structure of phospholipid. Okay, so let's discuss phospholipid first of all. See one point, that is phospholipid is wait, emphatic in nature, and because why it is emphatic in nature? Because it have what? Hydrophobic and hydro what? Philic. Okay. It is emphatic in nature because it have both hydrophobic and hydrophobic and hydrophilic. Okay. So let's see the structure of phospholipid. Okay. So oh my. To draw first of all a circle, that is okay, and then this one is the structure of phospholipid. Okay, this one is okay. Here this one is head. This black part is neck, and this both of two is tail. Okay. Tail. Okay. And this whole structure is what? Phospholipid. Okay, this one is phospholipid, this one is head, and after that this neck and tail. Okay, head is mainly composed of phosphate. Okay, it is mainly composed of phosphate and neck is tail is mainly composed of fatty acid. Okay, so this is the structure of phospholipid. That is, head is mainly composed of phosphate, neck is mainly composed of glycerol, or we can say cholesterol, and tail is mainly composed of fatty acid. Okay, so these are the composition of phospholipid and structure of phospholipid. Okay, let now discuss about the models of plasma membrane. Okay, so model of plasma membrane. Okay, so there is four models are there. Okay, first one is lipoidal, 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 lipoidal model, trilamellar model, third is unit membrane, model, and last one is fluid mosaic model. Mosaic model. Okay, so we can say that these are the model to for what, for the composition of plasma membrane, that among that what, sorry, between the lipid and protein, that how it is arranged. Okay, so there are four models are there, that is first one is lipoidal model, trilamellar, unit membrane model, and fluid mosaic model. Okay, so let us discuss one by one all the models. Okay, first one is lipoidal model. So let's discuss about the lipoidal model. Okay, so lipoidal model was given by Jewett, Overton in 1902. Okay, lipoidal model is given by Overton in 1902. Okay, now Overton suggests plasma membrane only made up of one layer of or single layer of lipid, and hence permeable in nature. Okay, so Overton thinks that lipoidal model was given by Overton, and Overton suggests that plasma membrane what only made up of one layer of lipid, okay, and it is permeable in nature. Okay, so first of all, there is a scientist whose name is Overton, who suggests that the plasma membrane is only made up of one layer of lipid, okay, and which is layer of lipid, and hence it is permeable in nature. Okay, but it is we all know that it is wrong, but because plasma membrane is selective membrane, okay, but he thinks that he suggests that plasma membrane is what permeable in nature. It means it passes all the things, that whether it is solvent and whether it is solute. Okay, so there are many scientists came and proposed that plasma membrane propose the arrangement of protein and lipid that in layer. Some propose that protein is like a we know that a cake, that protein is like a sandwich, okay, like this one. Okay, and after that there is a layer of lipid. Okay, so there are many types of proposal there for the plasma membrane, but the true model is a fluid mosaic model. Okay, so I hope you understand that is what is the composition of plasma membrane and also the structure of phospholipid. We will read the trilamellar and the unit membrane, and again that is fluid mosaic model in the next video. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.